We're trying a new invention, painting my bow using a horse. Should be pretty cool. Preacher's ready to do it and can't wait to see how it turns out. Got some exotic olive oil. Just got oil all over the whole bow to protect it. This is the last view before we paint it all up and make it looking cool. Well, we got a very interesting idea here. We're gonna see if it's gonna work. Got Preacher here, my fine steed. This is also a homemade halter. It's kind of cool. So we're gonna try and use his mouth and some non-toxic paint to paint the bow that we just made. So I don't even know if it's gonna work. Should be fun though. Before we ruin our very expensive $20 bow, we're gonna test it out on a piece of plywood though to make sure it works. Washable paint should be safe for horses and humans or whoever's touching this. Just gonna smell it and probably. I'll do it with my hands. All right, so we got grain spread all over this piece of wood. Let's let the horse do its do its magic. Well, it's kind of working. Well, it looks like a crime scene mixed with grain. Well, it appears that this has failed miserably. Don't think that'll work at all for a bow, so we're gonna try the dogs next. Tipsy. Good girl. All right, we got this. Same non-toxic paint. Tipsy, Tuca. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. They're here. Well. Art. I've decided the animals really suck at painting. Fail. Tuco, come here. Tuco. Tuco. Good boy. Good boy. Get your big old paw right there. Good boy. Good boy. Well, there you have it, folks. Horse painted, authentic decoration for the bow. It's kind of cool. Preacher here just helped me paint this bow using his whiskers, his nose and everything. Turned out pretty cool, I think. And later, he's a young horse with not much training so far. I just barely broke him, but later I'm going to try and train him to shoot this bow off of. Save some wear and tear on my legs when I go rabbit hunting. I've put a lot of miles chasing rabbits and stuff, so if I can ride on the horse, it's a lot easier. We had my horse Preacher paint this side with his nose. It's pretty cool, kind of had some character. And then on this side I painted some of this is my brand, a couple other things, and I like the way it turned out. It's the cattle tag arrow that we built in the other video. I've shot it a few times, so it's a little grizzled, but we're gonna add some paint to it. Okay, got these all painted up. One reason why I like to paint the arrows is these are way easier to find when you shoot them out in the bushes and can't find them if you're a bad shot like me. You can really spot that turquoise color, and got all the symbols, and Preacher did a good job on there. Now we're ready to hunt in style. Thanks everyone for all the support you've already given to our small new channel. It's been crazy. I didn't realize how much we get, but the adventure shall not stop. Follow the next video if you want to see one of these beautiful arrows stick into the dirt next to a rabbit.